I need more floor dry. Hello and welcome back to Franzmeyer Farms. Not sure what today's episode all has in store, but Trevor is working on polishing, and then we're going to get some wax on the silver semi, and I'm working on our 7230 with that hydraulic oil leak you saw in the last episode, and a couple other leaks around the engine. As you can see, Trevor got this side looking very nice. Did the wheels, the tanks, mirrors. On this tractor, if you look up underneath the hood here, it's got one of these brackets here to help the hood slide over things to stay wide until it gets to its resting position, and that one broke off. So I don't want to buy a new hood, so we're going to try. Dad got a fiberglass Bondo repair kit at Bondo's yesterday, so we're going to try that, and hopefully we can get it to hold on there somewhat decent. I've never dealt with Bondo or fiberglass repair before, but we're gonna give it a shot. That's what I got. It's not very pretty, but hopefully it'll work. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I just can't get over how good this truck looks after getting that all polished. Okay, so now we got to get the display out of our 9510 RT. Geez, that wind. Sorry if the audio's not the best. In the wind, I ordered a microphone for my phone here, and it's supposed to be delivered here soon. So I know it was not the greatest in the last video, but anyway, our 9510 here. I'll show you the display. The liquid crystal in it is not good. I don't know if you can see that big bubble in there, but that's all air because the liquid is coming out of it and ending up on the floor down here, and it's all sticky on the backside. So got to take it apart, get the display out of the tractor here so we can send it off to, or bring it to John Deere, and they can send it off to get it rebuilt. Two more screws off. Look at that.
Ew. Ew.
Yeah, all that air bubble in there is all missing the liquid, which has come out the bottom. $1,600 just to get it repaired. Yeah. That's not a new one. That's just sending in this one and getting it fixed. Yesterday, me and Dad went to the Iowa Ag Expo in Des Moines, so wasn't here. We were in Des Moines, but Trevor got the coat of wax off of the silver truck, and we got the little international baby binder in, and Trevor worked on polishing the wheels for that yesterday, and now we're doing the tank. So I'll give you a quick look. Another thing we want to get done while this truck is in here is get this spare air tank off. We have that on there for the fall time, so we can get air pressure from the truck tanks into there, so we got more volume if we need to run an impact or if we want to blow off the combine or something. So the air compressor on this doesn't have to run constantly. So I'm gonna try and get that off by myself while Trevor's over there polishing. wasn't so bad. While Trevor's over there polishing, how about we get to a montage? Dad got parts yesterday for the 7230. So we got some O-rings and other stuff to fix the leaks. So let's get to taking apart the engine oil cooler on the 7230. First things first, we're gonna need to wipe out some buckets so we can drain the antifreeze, otherwise we're gonna have a big mess. So now I'm gonna have to stand here and hold it because this hose isn't long enough to reach down to catch in the bucket. So, I guess I stand here. Would you look at that? I got it turned just enough, so it's catching. Don't worry about the drips that you see down there on the floor. All right, we're working on getting the oil cooler off. I need more floor dry. What a mess. Definitely should have put this hose on and drained the block before, but I didn't even think about it. I just was thinking, oh, the cooling system's empty because the radiator's empty, but the block is still full. And look at all this mess. I'm gonna have to brake clean and then rinse it off with some water or something so that it doesn't get stained. It's another day. We're working on semi. Dad got some aluminum wheels at Vanderhaeg's and Spencer. So we're gonna put some aluminum wheels on the inside of this truck and our other truck because the steel wheels are getting pretty rusty on the inside. So Trevor already got this one done. You can see the aluminum on the inside. I was working on getting the oil cooler put back on this tractor, but I need a couple more O-rings, so. Well, it's the end of another day and the end of another episode. I got the engine oil cooler back together. Had to get a couple O-rings down here. When I get it outside, I'll power wash it off and get it all cleaned up. And gotta clean up my mess. And need to put coolant back in it yet, but got that back together. Trevor got the inside wheels switched on this, and I helped him with that, as you saw in the last clip. So that's going to be a wrap on this video. Thanks again for everybody watching, and hope to see you in the next one.